Good morning. I am Pratyusha Chaudhary, Assistant Professor of GRIT. In this video, I want to discuss logic gates. Logic gate. It is the building block used to create digital circuits. There are two types of logic gates. First one is basic logic gates and the other one is universal logic gates. Under basic logic gates, we have AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Under universal logic gates, there are two types. First one is NAND gate and the other one is NOR gate. AND gate. This is the logic symbol for AND gate and the expression is A dot B. This is the truth table for AND gate. It says that if all the inputs are high, then only the output is equal to 1. It's a truth table for 2 input AND gate. You can have more than 2 inputs for an AND gate. Here is the example for 3 input AND gate where I have 3 inputs and 1 output. And the output is equal to high when I have all the inputs are equal to 1, that is high. For the remaining cases, the output is equal to 0. We may also have a 4 input AND gate. Next one is OR gate. This is the logic symbol for OR gate and the expression is A plus B and it is the truth table for OR gate. If at least one input is high, then the output is equal to 1. This is the logic symbol for 3 input AND gate and the output is equal to 1 whenever I have more than one input as high. Or we can also say that if all the inputs are 0, then the output of NOR gate is equal to 0. NOT gate. It is a single input logic gate where it gives the complement of the input. If the input is equal to 0, output is equal to 1. If the input is equal to 1, output is equal to 0. The logical expression is A complement. It is also known as inverter. XOR gate. This is the logic symbol for XOR gate and the expression is A XOR B. It is expressed as A B bar plus A bar B. And the XOR gate truth table is this. XOR gate is a circuit which will give a high output if either of its two inputs are high. Validation, truth table validation. Here I have two columns as A, B and third column is A, B bar, fourth column is A bar, B. I'm going to perform OR operation between these two and try to verify whether I'm going to get this output or not. This is A, B bar and it is A bar, B. When I perform OR operation between them, 0 OR with 0 is 0, 0 OR with 1 is equal to 1, 1 OR with 0 is equal to 1, 0 OR with 0 is equal to 0. Yes, XOR truth table is equal to the truth table of A, B bar plus A bar, B. Next, XNOR gate. This is the logic symbol for XNOR gate and it is the expression. The expression is AB plus A bar, B bar. This is the logic diagram of XNOR gate and it is a truth table of XNOR gate. It is a complement of XOR gate. NAND and NOR gates. NAND gate. It is logic symbol of NAND gate and the expression is A dot B complement. NOR gate. This is the logic symbol for NOR gate and the expression is A plus B complement. These are the truth tables and they are the complements of AND gate and OR gates respectively. NAND and NOR are called as universal gates because we could able to realize any kind of logic circuit using NAND and NOR gates. Draw the logic function, so logic diagram for the expression AB plus CD plus CE. So here, if you check, there are three product terms AB, CD and CE. There are three product terms AB, CD, CE. So these three are now going to be inputs to an OR gate. So the OR gate must have three inputs and there are three product terms. In order to perform three product terms, we have a gate called AND gate. So we require three 2-input AND gates and one 3-input OR gate to realize it. Yes, AB is going to yield by using an AND gate and CD with respect to another AND gate, CE with the help of another AND gate. All the three are all the three product terms are OR together to get the output. So if you are not available with 3-input OR gate, you can also have two 2-input OR gates so that you can perform OR operation between these two product terms and the resultant of this with another AND gate. So that is how you can realize this logic diagram, expression. If you see the expression, you can take C common, isn't it? So if I take C common, the equation is getting minimized a little bit. So now I have a product term here AB and a sum term D plus E, which is produced with C. Realization. So using AND gate, I can yield AB, and using OR gate, I can get D and E. So using OR gate, I can have D plus E here, and that is passed to an AND gate, and another terminal of the AND gate is given to C. So now at this point, I'm going to have C dot D plus E, which is now again ANDed with AB. So which is now which is ORed with the another product term AB. So this is what is the circuit diagram of the expression AB plus C into D plus E. Next, another function F2 is equal to X dot Y bar plus Z dot X bar plus Y plus Z. Here I require a 3-input AND gate at output section, and I require 2 OR gates here. So one is to perform Y bar and Z, Y bar plus Z. In order to perform this, I require an OR gate, and which is a 2-input OR gate. And I require another OR gate which is of inputs 3 to perform X bar plus Y plus Z. So this is one OR gate yielding X bar plus Y plus Z, and another OR gate which is yielding Y bar plus Z. Now I have another 3-input AND gate to which I am giving X and the output of Y bar plus Z, and the output of X bar plus Y plus Z. So I'm going to have my output as F2. So that is how we will realize any kind of equation using logic gates. I hope you understand. You try to take some more examples and try to realize by using the logic gates. Thank you.